Warren further said that he would seek legal action against those who had falsely accused him of sexually exploiting the German minor, as he also stated that he was being targeted due to his political inklings.
They are totally baseless. Totally baseless. I myself was shocked when I saw this today in the afternoon by Prudent Media. They say that I'm involved in the rape case, which I totally term as false. And other than that, I will file a defamation case on whosoever has spoken about it, whether it's Iris or the girl's mother. I don't know her name as well. Even the girl's name I don't know. Basically because I come from a political background, I believe that's the only reason I've been brought up in this case. Other than that, I don't see any other way why Mr. Iris or that German lady has involved me. Because other than us, the only thing they wanted was fame, and they wanted to only hype up the case.
Warren also challenged Iris to show pictures of him with the minor girl.
I totally challenge the statement that Mr. Iris has made. I'm not at all involved in. I'm not even from I don't think I've even seen that girl. I've never seen that girl, nor have I heard about her. So I totally challenge Mr. Iris or the German lady who says that I'm involved in this rape case, and that she's got pictures. If she's got pictures, tell her to show it on media. Tell her to, and I'm ready for any police investigation. If the police authorities, the government wants to do any investigation into this, whether the government, state government, or whether the CBI wants to do, anyone wants to do, wants me to come to the police station as well, I'll positively come and keep myself present at the police station.
In a final shot, Uncle Alemao accused Advocate Rodrigues of using this case to make a quick buck.
Person who have no base. Person who have no base. He making money like this man. He's become agent of that lady.
Members of the Gandhi Market Citizens Welfare Association submitted a memorandum to the DYSP Margao recently demanding that illegal activities prevailing in the Gandhi Market area be immediately stopped.
The villagers alleged that activities such as gambling and prostitution, which are banned in the state, are continuing unabated in the Gandhi Market area. The association in their memorandum requested the police to investigate the illegal activities being carried out in the vicinity of Gandhi Market.
हे प्रोस्टिट्यूशन चलता, हे गॅम्बलिंग चलता, आणि तुगेले ते चोर पळय हांगा आख्खी म्हणून गांधी मार्केट निघता ते आमकां नाका थंयसर. दुसरें म्हणजे आमगे व्हडले बायलां येता वयता तेंगे फकाणां करता. हें जावपा जायना. दुसरें म्हणजे कितें आमकां धाकले भुरगे पळय आसून व्हडा वेले तुमी केन्ना पळय अख्खी वचून थंय गॅम्बलिंग खेळटा. तांकां फुडार आसा न्हू मुखार. तर हांव कितें म्हणटा हें पळय कितें चल्लां पळय न्हू हें सगळें बंद जावपा जाय. आनी आज आमकां DSPन आवडा केसा मुखार तुमच्या मुखार सांगलां कितें म्हणून जर तुमी आतां हें पळय जर एक्शन घे आमी येताले आनी एक्शन जर जायना जायत तुमी तुमकां कायदा हातीन घ्या म्हणून सांगलें आसा आनी तशें करतले आमी आतां.
Gandhi Market, though its name is Gandhi Market, it's a place. It's been my ward, and it's a place where all these kinds of illegalities and illicit things and abuse of women and exploitation of people, gambling takes place. So what we want to do is we want to stop this before it goes the Baina way. It's like the slave system, you know, women being pulled, money being shown, deals being done. This is not the only thing, not only gambling, not only prostitution, but gambling also thrives there. And we have, these boys have found that at night, all the thefts and robberies that take place in Margao, those people take shelter in Gandhi Market because nobody wants to go there since it is supposed to be a dirty place.
The Deputy Superintendent of Police Margao, Umesh Gaonkar, however, appeared unenthusiastic about the complaint of the association.
Come with other vehicles, they have given one memorandum. I have to go through the memorandum, then I will decide. Right now I have to go to Panjim, so I am busy. I will see later on. I have said I will look into your complaint, what are the grievances, and I will take action.
In an unfortunate incident at Fatorda recently, the entrance, door, tiles and windows of the Moraes bungalow at Murida were damaged when a blast wreaked havoc at around 10:30 p.m. on the unoccupied house owned by Franklin Moraes.
As Mr. Moraes is residing outside the country, the caretaker of the house contacted a relative of Mr. Moraes, Mario Almeida, suspecting the blast to be due to an explosion of the LPG cylinder.
To come immediately that our gas cylinder has exploded. So we rushed immediately, and I told my son-in-law, my husband called him and said, you go over and see what's wrong at Fatorda. And he said that it's some bomb. Then the police, and we called the police, and they brought their people, and they found gelatin sticks, the one that went out at the corner of the door, and one was found at under the car which didn't explode.
Speaking to Goa 365, Rajendra Prabhudesai, PI of the Marga police station, suspected the blast to be the handiwork of Mr. Moraes' enemies.
We have not arrested anybody, but this motive behind this is either enmity with Almeida or Moraes, and there is no any motive of theft or robbery.
We're heading for a short break, don't go away. Road sweeping machine, which was acquired by the Mormugao Municipal Council and officially inaugurated 2 years back on the 11th of November 2006 by Mr. Sharad Chopdikar, the then chairperson of the municipality, through the Goa State Urban Development Agency, is itself gathering dust and rust in the port town of Vasco.
What is worse is that not only is the sweeping machine not serving the purpose it was meant to, but it is also depriving vehicles of parking space. Prakash Gaus, a resident, averred that the machine was lying unused for the past 2 years.
दोन वर्सां देखून काम करून हाडला एक्चुअली डस्ट सगळें क्लीन करपाक हाडला हें मशीन हांगाच पडलेल्या वयल्यान ट्राफिकूय सगळ्यांक जॅम जाता हांगा येवपा वचपाक दुसरी गाडी सुटना प्रॉब्लेम जाता त्या मशिनाक कितें यूज करपाक अशेंच पडून आतां जांक लागला त्या मशिनाक कितें फायदो कितें हाडून गव्हर्मेंटाचे पयशे बेश्टे वेस्ट म्हाका केन्ना रस्त्यार काय दिसूंक ना हाडलेल्याक तशें जावं मशीन पब्लीक मनी वेस्ट करतात यूज करूंक जाय जाल्यार यूज केल्यार पब्लिकांक फायदो न्हू तें नाल्यार बेश्टे अननेसरी वेस्ट.
Goa 365 contacted the chairperson during whose tenure the sweeping machine was inaugurated and asked him how the MMC had come to acquire the machine.
That time there was a circular came to us, and we were thought of having such kind of machinery in Vasco city. So we had taken a resolution and it been sent to the government, and we had proposed that sweeping machine, and technical people has been sent, and they had thought about to expert driver how to drive this machine. We had put it in the road, but while it was found at some kind of a sound, and in Vasco this tropical this thing it doesn't work because of the uneven roads and the sliding.
Mr. Chopdikar said that they had apprised the urban development minister of the problem when the machine had started developing snags.
Then again we recommended to the urban development minister to kindly guide us in this issue. So the technical people came and they had suggested us to balance the weight. So while climbing on the Sada area, so that tractor does not uneven line. So then that proposal we had sent it for leveling. Then again it was like that. Then we had asked then again urban development DMA, and they had sent their people and they had made an agreement that their people will come and they will operate themselves, but still nothing has been happened. Still it is like that.
Mr. Chopdikar further said that no study regarding the sustainability of the machine to the terrain had been made prior to acquiring the machine.
Then lastly we decided if you cannot do it in other parts, then at least we can visit in the city. But the city we have not so big road, being a small road, and all the time traffic is moving here, traffic is there. That is why once this highway comes, that's the traffic load will be less, then we can be able to put this in this proper.
Mr. Chopdikar, who is still a member of the council, said that a petition had been filed in the court regarding the machine.
What happened in that moment, I think somebody has gone in the court